begins with music that brings hearts together. So now I would like to call upon Deepraj, Divya, Kunjan, Radanya, Richa, Soumya and Swarnim to present the welcome song. Now we'll be presenting the dignitaries with a bouquet of flowers. Requesting Richa to kindly present a bouquet to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Requesting Arya to kindly present a bouquet to our Honorable Health Minister, Shri Vishwajit Rani. Requesting Shravani to kindly present a bouquet to our Honorable MLA and GSIDC Chairman, Shri Michael Lobo. Requesting Ananya to kindly present a bouquet to the Health Secretary, Shri Hitendra Maralkar.
Michael, you are team.
Requesting Saina to kindly present a bouquet to our respectable Dean of Goa Medical College and Hospital, Professor Dr. Jai Prakash Tiwari. Requesting Soumya to kindly present a bouquet to the Joint Secretary of Health and Finance, Shri Pranav Bhatt. Requesting Disha to kindly present a bouquet to the Managing Director of GSIDC, Shri Rohit Kadam. Requesting Divya to kindly present a bouquet to the Director of Academics of Goa Medical College, Dr. Sandeep Desai. To begin this auspicious occasion on a blessed note, I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Pramod Savanji, Shri Vishwajit Raneji, Shri Michael Loboji, and along with her respected Dean Professor Dr. Jayaprakash Tiwari and other dignitaries on stage to kindly come forward for the traditional lighting of the lamp.
Ignites, we pray that this lecture hall becomes a beacon of intellect, creativity, and academic excellence. May this light dispel the darkness of ignorance and guide generations of medical students towards truth and success. Thank you to all our dignitaries. I would now like to request our Honorable Director of Academics of Goa Medical College, Dr. Sandeep Sardesai, to deliver the welcome address and greet the gathering.
Honorable Chief Minister of the State of Goa, Pramod Savanji.
Mike.
A very good morning to all. Honorable Chief Minister of the State of Goa, Dr. Pramod Savanji. Honorable Minister for Health, Shri Vishwajit Raneji. Honorable MLA of the constituency and Chairman of GSIDC, Shri Michael Loboji. Respected Secretary Health, Shri Yatindra Bharadwaj. Managing Director GSIDC, Shri Rohit Kadam. Respected Dean Dr. J.P. Tiwari. Joint Secretary Health, Pranav Bhatt. Medical Superintendent Dr. Rajesh Patil. All the heads of departments, the colleagues, faculty members, and my dear students. Welcome you all. It is my privilege on behalf of Goa Medical College and Hospital to welcome you for the inauguration of this state-of-art lecture hall complex. Today's day marks an important milestone for the academic journey of the Goa Medical College. This lecture hall complex comprises of 3 modern lecture halls with capacity of 350 each, along with 600-seater auditorium. All equipped with large LED screens, fully digital teaching infrastructure, e-classroom facilities. These spaces represent a significant transformation in the way the medical education will be delivered at GMC. Medical education today is no longer confined to the teacher, blackboard, and classroom. It's increasingly technology-enabled, interactive, multidisciplinary, and digitally connected. This new lecture hall complex provides the infrastructure to support all that transformation and to offer our students an academic environment that matches the standards expected of modern medical institutions. From National Medical Commission perspective, earlier we were short of 1 lecture hall. Today we have 6 lecture halls, 3 older ones, 3 new, which are sufficient for 250 MBBS students and around 170 allied health sciences students. Thus the complex corrects our infrastructure gap. I would like to place on the record sincere appreciation to Government of Goa and GSIDC for handing over this lecture hall complex to us at appropriate time, as the first batch of 250 MBBS students is expected to join on 8 September 26. Our deepest gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and Honorable Health Minister, Sri Vishwajit Rane, for their continued vision and support towards strengthening the medical education and healthcare infrastructure in Goa. I am confident that these lecture halls will become centers of knowledge, discussion, and academic excellence and professional growth for generations of medical students. With these words, I once again extend a very warm welcome to our distinguished guests and express my sincere gratitude for gracing this occasion. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Dr. Sandeep sir. Your words have beautifully set the context for today's milestone inauguration. Next, I would like to request our Honorable Dean of Goa Medical College and Hospital, Professor Dr. Jayaprakash Tiwari, to address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. Dignitaries on dais, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Minister of Health, Sri Vishwajit Rane, Honorable MLA, Kalangu Constituency, and Chairman GSIDC, Sri Michael Lobo, Secretary Health, Yatendra Mariankar, Senior Officers of Government of Goa, Joint Secretary Health, Sri Pranav Bhatt, Dr. Rajesh Patil, MS Goa Medical College, Director Administration, Director Academic, Dr. Sandeep Sardesai, distinguished guests, Professor and Head of Departments, faculty members, and dear students. A very warm welcome to all of you to Goa Medical College. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the inauguration of this new lecture hall complex, an important addition to the academic infrastructure to the Goa Medical College. This is not merely a new building, it is an investment in the future of medical education in Goa. The complex comprises of 3 lectures halls with capacity of 300 students each and a 600-seater auditorium supported by modern LED display system, fully digital teaching facility, and e-classroom infrastructure. It provides GMC with the kind of contemporary academic environment that a leading medical institution must have. This development comes at a particular significant time of Goa Medical College. We have recently received approval from NMC, an increase of the seat of 50 MBBS seats from 200 to 250, increase in the undergraduate allied health sciences of 60 more seats, 16 postgraduate seats, increase in the DM and MCH in different super specialty. Continuing our program is increasing in all the subjects. With this expansion comes an increased responsibility to provide adequate, modern, and appropriate teaching learning spaces. This complex therefore addresses an essential infrastructure gap and will substantially strengthen our capacity to deliver quality education to our growing student community. More importantly, it will allow our faculty to adopt newer methods of teaching, make better use of digital resources, and create a more engaging learning experience to our students. For an institution with the legacy and stature of Goa Medical College, infrastructure must continuously evolve with the changing need of medical education. This complex is one more step in that journey. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, for his vision and continued support to the Goa Medical College and medical education in the state. I also place on record our deep appreciation to Honorable Health Minister Sri Vishwajit Rani, whose constant encouragement has been instrumental in strengthening the infrastructure and academic capability of Goa Medical College. My sincere thanks to respected Secretary Health and all senior officers of the Government of Goa, as well as the GSID and everyone involved in the planning and executing this project for this cooperation and commitment. I am confident that each lecture halls and this auditorium will not simply be space within the building, they are becoming spaces where healthcare for the people of Goa. On behalf of Goa Medical College, I once again extend a very warm welcome to all our distinguished guests and thank you for being part of this important occasion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Tiwari, sir, for leading our institution towards greater heights and sharing your vision today. I would now request the Honorable Chairman of GSIDC, Shri Michael Lobo, whose support has been instrumental in executing this infrastructure, to say a few words.
Inauguration of new lecture halls at Goa Medical College. We have with us Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, Shri Vishwajit Rani, Health Minister State of Goa, Dr. Tiwari, Dean of Goa Medical College, our Joint Secretary Health Mr. Maralkar. We have Mr. Patil, Dr. Patil, who is a medical superintendent. We have Rohit Kadam, who is our GSIDC MD, Pranab Bhatt, who is the Joint Secretary Health and also Joint Secretary Finance, all the other doctors who are present over here on the dais, off the dais, print and electronic media, and my dear students, all the GMC staff who are present over here. One of the oldest, Asia's first medical colleges, that is Goa Medical College. The planning was done some few years back. The entire college, how it will be, was planned by GSIDC. All the different hospitals to bring it under one roof. And this was planned some 10-15 years back. And slowly, this infrastructure is coming in place. And we have seen, to put infrastructure in place, you require a lot of money, a lot of finance, and with the blessings of our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Ji Modi, his guidance, our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and our Health Minister, they had various meetings and they gave the direction to GSIDC to start with all these works. And Chief Minister said to GSIDC, don't worry about finance, we will give you, but we want all the students who are here to learn the best, give them the best. And that's how we have started works of nearly 800 crores in Goa Medical College and elsewhere in the state of Goa where health sector is concerned. All the PHCs, primary health centers, community health centers are being upgraded, new constructions are being taken up. In Goa Medical College itself, we have taken up works worth 600 crores. I have just requested the Honorable Chief Minister to provide us a basic, that is multi-level car park, which is the most important in Goa Medical College. Because whenever you come inside, there is no parking and people are parking at double. Like on a small road, 4 cars are being parked and only one small way is there to come inside. It becomes very, very difficult for emergency vehicles to enter inside. And I think once our estimate is ready, a multi-level car park will start and will complete within 8 months. This is what Honorable Chief Minister just told me. You can announce that multi-level car park in Goa Medical College work will start soon. Secondly, we have requested the Honorable Chief Minister that all the roads inside Goa Medical College has to be upgraded. Honorable Health Minister immediately said that GSIDC can take up this work, and I am assuring you that by first week of November we will lay 2 coats of hot mix and see that the entire complex gets a new coat of hot mix, and also garden work and also beautification work. These are the works which we will be carried out by GSIDC before November ends. That is the improvement of all the roads, parking lots, some beautification wherever it is required, the boards where it has to lead, like all the parking, no parking signages till we get our multi-level car parks. I think the remaining works, and more references will be given by Honorable Chief Minister and our Health Minister. I will not talk much, but infrastructure building, which we have already started, is on fast track, and every week we are paying the contractor so that the work continues, and he gives all the works which has started in Goa Medical College in time-bound manner. And I am assuring the Honorable Chief Minister and our Health Minister over here that GSIDC will complete all the works which are already tendered, and lot of works are in the process of tendering, which I said planning was done so many years back. The vision of this Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, is to execute and give it to the people of Goa, give it to the students, give it to the doctors, and give the best facility to the patients who are coming over here. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging insights. Moving on, I would now like to request Honorable Health Minister Shri Vishwajit Rane to say a few words.
Good morning to each one of you. Present amongst us today is our Leader of the State and the Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. My colleague and good friend who has already given a whole perspective about what's happening in the Goa Medical College. Mr. Michael Lobo, Honorable Chairman, Goa Infrastructure Development Corporation. We have our Dean, Dr. Tiwari, our Secretary Health, who's been very proactive, Mr. Paradkar, Mr. Rohit Kadam, and most importantly, Mr. Pranav Bhatt, who has actually played a very proactive role from the time he has taken charge of health along with finance. We have Mr. Sarkisai, our MS, Rajesh Patel, Dr. Yuri, Mr. Joshi, our Director of Accreditation, Gautami, and the two, Mr. Sonia and Shifat Barwalkar, who constantly keep pressurizing my office on sending notes, and they actually, I have known him for the last so many years, and they have been pushing all our projects. And the Honorable Chief Minister actually started, I just want to draw your attention, actually started his career in the Goa Assembly, not only as a speaker but also as the chairman of the Infrastructure Development Corporation. And today he's been supporting us in taking things forward. Actually, I just want to share with all the students, all the HODs are there, we keep meeting, we keep talking. But the students who are here, to make you proud that you are in an institution that is actually very progressive, looking at the new age and forward in the type of technologies that we are trying to provide to you along with the infrastructure. Chief Minister was just taking a brief, and me and Michael were waiting, actually Chief Minister was on the way. We said, I have constantly seen, children and students, the medical students who have joined. The biggest complaint I would like to tell the Honorable Chief Minister Michael and we were discussing is that the road infrastructure, road lights, because whenever they walk, they find it's it's like a detriment that when they walk. So basically we said, we request Honorable Chief Minister, which he will, I'm confident that he'll agree with Michael, I said he will get it done means he will already make sure that the Honorable Chief Minister will be considered and see that it is done. The whole area of Goa Medical College to have good roads, lighting and beautification with a lot of greenery, which is very important to create that type of environment for you students to walk around today, and an emergency path which we require for ambulances, unobstructed movement of ambulances, which is a must. Today I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister and all of you are present here. All our HODs have been seeing the transformation that is taking place under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister of the country, Modi ji. Today in Goa, under the visionary leadership of the Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, my friend Michael, from the time he has become GSIDC chairman, I get at least a call once in 3 days. You are not come here, you have to do this, you have to do that, that is required. And it is important to be very proactive as far as health is concerned. I would like to also suggest and thank the Chief Minister who was, we recently, with his help and the Finance Department and the Chief Minister has been successful along with GSIDC in commissioning the simulation lab costing about 25 crores in Goa Medical College, and every HOD, I would like to share with all of you, every HOD, was very happy that Goa Medical College today under this government headed by the Chief Minister and in support of Michael and our health institution, Pranav Bhatt, several other HODs, Dean, Secretary Health, Mr. Marakar. We were able to push this simulation lab forward. What is the future of medical education? Future of medical education is trying to give you the best education tools that are available. And today when we talk about the best education tools along with the infrastructure which is being supported by the Chief Minister in the state of Goa, and every student I think must be, today when you talk only of GROC, now where is GROC? GROC is already outdated. Now there is GROC board. You have a chief executive who actually tells you and guides you exactly what has happened. He says, yes, tell me, what can I do for you? I don't know how many of you have downloaded GROC board. The latest GROC which is there, that is what the thing, but that is AI, amplified AI. And today you've got an executive assistant which you buy, it costs you about 29,000 rupees a month actually to renew that. And that is how the world is progressing. Education and medical innovation in 25-26. If you see, is AI-driven personalization, immersive simulations, VR, AR, MR. I think many of the medical students know, I don't know. But it's very important to have competency-based curriculum, reforms among the leading and recent innovations in AI, and where AI will be used for evaluation and several other tools. I think we as a state, and I think Chief Minister has already announced that we want to make Goa one of the leading states as far as AI is concerned. And utilization of AI, and today Chief Minister just mentioned, Michael is going to mention to you exactly what is his vision for the healthcare. Michael just mentioned Goa Medical College itself, there are more than 500-600, the guard hostel, whatever he has committed, whether it's the guard hostel, the college block, the administrative block, each and every aspect is going to be taken forward. Michael just mentioned each and every aspect. Chief Minister will also give you his overview, his thought process, what the health sector should be looking like. I want to say one thing to the students today, is that we must have like a town hall concept, because the children belong to the Gen Z only. Children, and I have realized that on the television when I look at it, I see that Gen Alpha also has become very active. It is very important for us to have an interactive session with the students to see what you require in Goa Medical College. It is very important the HODs and the students interact, and I'll also come and be a part of your interaction. Chief Minister will also decide whenever he wants to come, we'll organize a thing where you can openly speak and be critical in evaluating what you want to say and how you want the system to evolve. And I think the doctors must be focused on the education, what you require for the education institution. And we in Goa are here to provide the best of healthcare for the students. All our HODs who have spent so many years here, and the new age, the new students, the children of the new age who are here, where we never thought of AI 20 years back. Today we talk about AI, we are talking about AI curriculum, we talk about simulation labs, talk about new ways of evaluation. This is how medical education is going to move forward. And I'm confident that the Chief Minister, who has been speaking about all this, will make sure that Goa Medical College will be one of the most premium institutions in the country. I would like to thank the Chief Minister for his continued support, all this while for make this a reality. And I would like the children, the students, HODs, and all of us present here to appreciate the hard work that has been put in by the Chief Minister, because somebody has to generate the funds. Somebody has to give you the funds to see that this becomes a reality. It's okay for me to come and make a statement that we are going to do this, but somewhere his role, his motivation to us to see that go ahead and do this, and then we are going to ensure the funds are available. And I'm very happy today the chairman of GSLEC, none other than my friend Michael Lobo, who is very proactive, very into ensuring that our dream of making Goa Medical College a premium institution in the country is going to be true soon. I would like to thank the Chief Minister as his Health Minister, and on behalf of all of you, that we are really grateful for your initiatives. We are very grateful to all the help that you have given Goa Medical College. Make our dream of making this institution, and we want your help also to make this on the new age, which I just mentioned, AI-driven personalization, immersive simulations, AR, VR, MR, to be the first institution in the country to have this type of curriculum in our institution in a reality. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and your unwavering support towards transforming health and medical education infrastructure in Goa. We are deeply privileged to have with us our leader. I would now like to request our Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, to kindly address the gathering.
नवा हॉल दिल्ल्याचो आनंद तुमकां जावंक ना. नवा हॉल परमनंटली तुमकां इतके मेळ्ळ्याचो आनंद जाला काय ना? जाला काय ना? जाला जाल्यार म्हजे बरोबर एकाच स्लोगन दियात. वंदे मातरम 150 वर्सां पुराय जाता. हांवें तर म्हटलेलें की एटलिस्ट एवरी फंक्शन शुड स्टार्ट विथ द वंदे मातरम. एनीहाउ द डीन henceforth the public function in the Goa Medical College will start with the Vande Mataram. म्हणजे बरोबर एकदाच घोषणा दियात. भारत माता की जय. हात वयर करून दियात. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. खूप धन्यवाद. Inaugural of the new lecture hall of the Goa Medical College. आजच्या खासा कार्यक्रमाक आमच्यामध्ये हजर आसात हेल्थ मिनिस्टर मित्र बाब विश्वजीत राणे, JSIDC चेअरमॅन बाब मायकल लोबो, सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ बाब यतीन बराळकर, डीन डॉक्टर JP तिवारी, रेस्ट ऑल डिग्निटरीज ऑन डायस, डिग्निटरीज अमंग द ऑडियन्स, पत्रकार भाव आणि भयणांनो. म्हाका खोस भोगता की आमी म्हाका याद जाता सिन्स इन 1991 म्हणजे फर्स्ट टायम हांव येयल्लो प्रॉस्पेक्ट घेवपा खातीर, आनी प्रॉस्पेक्टस घेतल्या उपरांत हांवें नॉट गॉट एडमिशन इन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज. हांवें घेतलो, वेटिंगाचेर वाट पळयली, म्हज्या फ्रेंड्साक एडमिशन मेळ्ळें, म्हाका एडमिशन मेळ्ळें ना. आणि देन आय यूज टू गो फॉर द BMS, बॅचलर ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसीन. तेद्या वेळार प्रायवेट मेडिकल कॉलेजी इतक्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात नाशिल्ल्यो, आणि इट इज नॉट एफोर्डेबल फॉर मी ऑल्सो गो टू द प्रायवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज. सो आय हॅव कम्प्लिटेड बाय द BMS इन 1995. फ्रॉम 1991च्यान आय हॅव कंटिन्युअसली कमिंग टू द मेडिकल कॉलेज, द हॉस्टेल म्हज्या फ्रेंड्साक मेळपाक, म्हज्या उपरांत मेडिकल कॉलेजीन. आणि तेन्नाच्यान हो मेडिकल कॉलेज कशा पद्दतीन हांगासर आशिल्लें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर हें खूब लागच्यान पळयता. आणि जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर खऱ्या अर्थात जर चेंज जावपाक लागला सिन्स इन 2012 सुद्दां म्हणून याद करा. इन अलायड हेल्थ सायन्सीस इंट्रोड्यूस इन 2014, आणि ताज्या उपरांत एका मेजर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचो बदल जर जावपाक लागलो आसत जाल्यार तो रिसेंटली म्हाका सांगपा खातीर खूब खोस भोगता. बाब मायकलान सांगता आसतना रिसेंटली आमी म्हाका दिसता एप्रॉक्सिमेटली आत्ताच्या घडीक 40 crores of rupees स्पेंड करून वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन मेडिकल सेक्टर म्हटल्यार जाता. प्रायवेट मेडिकल सेक्टरांत सुद्दां अशा पद्दतीचो इतको बरो हॉल आनी वीथ वेल इक्विप्ड आसप खूब कठीण आसा. तो मेडिकल हॉल आज आमच्या गव्हर्मेंट मेडिकल कॉलेजीत आसा, विच इज अ प्राऊड मोमेंट फॉर द यू पीपल अशें म्हाका दिसता. हो मेडिकल हॉल इतको बरो आनी तुमचे तिनूय मेडिकल हॉल म्हणजे लेक्चर हॉल्स जर इतक्या खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन आमी इक्विप केले आसत जाल्यार ते लोकांक कळटले आसत जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता हे प्रमोट करप हें काम तुमचेंच आसा, स्टुडंट्सांचें आसा, प्रोफेसरांचें आसा, कारण इतकें बरें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आमी तुमकां प्रमोट दिलां करून हें प्रमोटूय करप. रिसेंटली मायकलान जें सांगलें फॉर द कॉलेज ब्लॉक वी आर स्पेंडींग another 200 crores of rupees. For the guard hostel, we are spending 106 crores of rupees. For the boys hostel, we are spending the 90 crores of rupees. For the IPHP, we are spending IPHP 100 bedded and DCAT center. We are spending 100 crores of rupees. Another 500 crores of rupees within a short span of a time. आमी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजींतले हे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर अपग्रेड करपा खातीर मोडपाचें आसा. ताज्या व्यतिरिक्त म्हणजे मायकलान ज्यो आत्तां गजाली सांगल्यो आमी पळयता की दिस टायप ऑफ 5 स्टार फेसिलिटीज आसल्या उपरांत आमचो पुराय कॅम्पस होय 5 स्टार आसप गरजेचो आसा. आनी तो पुराय कॅम्पस 5 स्टार करपा खातीर नॉट ओन्ली द टॉपिंग ऑफ द रोड बट एंटायर ब्युटिफिकेशन करपा खातीर अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग आसतलो, म्हणजे ताका लायटींग आसतलें, गार्डन मेंटेनन्स आसतलें आनी विथ पार्किंग आमी जाता तितके बेगीन हातांत घेता आनी जाता तितके बेगीन म्हणजे 5 स्टार कॅम्पस कंप्लीट करपा खातीर GSIDC विल स्टार्ट दीस वर्क एंड विल कंप्लीट टील मार्च पर्यंत तेंय वर्क आमी जाता तितके कंप्लीट करता. कारण गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज इज अवर अपेक्स मेडिकल कॉलेज, ज्याचेर सगळ्या गोंयकारांचो विश्वास आसा. गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीचेर विश्वास आहा म्हणजे हांगासर आशिल्ल्या दोतोरांचेर विश्वास आसा. फक्त गोंयचोच न्ही, सायड बाय नियर बाय डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ द महाराष्ट्र जे सिंधुदुर्ग आसतले किंवा कारवार आसतले हांचोय विश्वास हो तुमचेर आसा. आनी खूब मोठ्या विश्वासान मुद्दामून पळयात गोंयांत खंयसरूय जरी एक्सिडंट जालो न्ही, सिंधुदुर्गांत जरी मेजर एक्सिडंट जालो खंय बेलागा म्हणून विचारता जीएमसीन पावलो मरे, म्हणजे तो जीएमसीन पावलो काय तो सेफ आसतलो हो विश्वास लोकांच्या मदीं क्रिएट केलो. आनी ताकाच लागून तो विश्वास आमी तसोच दवरपा खातीर आमी म्हणटा की सरकारा कडल्यान वॉटेवर द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जे जाय ते इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर टायम टू टायम हे आमी तुमकां दिवपाक शकता. But best of the services you कोण दिवपाक शकता आसा जाल्यार ओन्ली प्रोफेशनल्स जे तुमी दिवपाक शकतले. आयदर डॉक्टर्स, नर्सीस किंवा हेल्थ केअराचो सगळो स्टाफ बेस्ट ऑफ द सर्विसीस लोकांक दिवपाक शकता. आनी हो विश्वास तुमचो अजूनय बी त्याच पद्दतीन दवरपाक खातीर म्हाका दिसता की तुमी खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन आनिकूय बी हे लोकांचो विश्वास संपादन करप गरजेचें आसा. टायम टू टायम हांवें जेन्ना म्हटलें की पडटा आसत पण ती गजाल ना म्हणून एखाद्याचो जीव वचूंक शकता. पण त्या खातीर म्हटलें हांवें की तुमी जो पर्यंत हायलायट करिना, तुमी जो पर्यंत ते फायल प्रोड्यूस करिना तो पर्यंत कॉस्ट कमी आसतली. म्हटल्यार तुमी जो पर्यंत ती जाय म्हणून आमकां रिक्वायरमेंट हाडिना तो पर्यंत ती येवंक शकना. म्हणून हांवें म्हटलां द हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट आर द मोस्ट कन्सर्न जे कोण आसा ताच्या कडल्यान फॉलो अप करून ते करून घेवचें पडटलें. देन ओन्ली इट इज पॉसिबल. 100% ते इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तुमकां बऱ्यांतलो बरो दिवप, वेल इक्विपमेंट तुमकां एडवान्स इक्विपमेंट फॉर द टिचींग पर्पज एंड फॉर द ट्रिटमेंट पर्पज ऑल्सो. वी आर रेडी, वी आर गिव. म्हणजे मेडिकलच्या बाबतींत आनी हेल्थाच्या बाबतींत आमकां खंयसरूच आमी मात सुद्दां काट कसर करिना. वेळ पडलो जाल्यार एक रस्तो मागीर केल्यार जाता. पण हेल्थाच्या बाबतींत आमकां पयशांक जेन्ना आसत जाल्यार तेन्ना खंयसरूच आमी कमी हाज्याय फुडें आमी कमी करचे ना. म्हणून हांवें म्हटलां की ते जर तुमी फॉलोअप केले आसत जाल्यार अजूनय बऱ्यांतले बरें तुमी सर्विसीस ह्यो लोकांक दिवपाक शकतले. उरता उरलो एक लॉंग पेंडिंग डिमांड विच इज द कनेक्टिंग ऑफ द सुपर स्पेशलिटी टू द गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज. हांव पर्सनली फॉलोअपूय करता किंवा टायम टू टायम. लास्ट टायम संदीप जेन्ना आशिल्लो आमचो GSIDC दॅट टायम यू वॉन्ट टू कनेक्ट इजर द कॅज्युअलिटी अदरवायज गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज विथ द सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल तो कॅम्पस ताका इजर ओव्हरब्रिज किंवा ताका फास्ट ट्रॅक हे करून दिवपाक जाय. ताजोय प्लॅन आमी रेडी केला. हांवें ऑलरेडी फाटल्यार त्यांनी कन्सल्टंट अपॉइंट करपाक लायलो आनी होल कॅम्पस एज अ वन कॅम्पस हो जर आमी डेव्हलप करपाक शकले इट वील बी वन ऑफ द ब्युटिफूल कॅम्पस. तो ब्युटिफूल कॅम्पस जाला जितक्या जाता तितके बेगीन. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू शिफ्ट द पेशंट इजर फ्रॉम द कॅज्युअलिटी टू द सुपर स्पेशलिटी अदरवायज फ्रॉम द हियर एनी OT टू द सुपर स्पेशलिटी जाल्यार तितक्याच ताका एम्ब्युलन्सीक घालून तेवटेन वचचो पडपाक जायना. ताका डायरेक्टली जे आसा पळय कनेक्टिविटी ही दिवपाक जाय. हें म्हज्या तकलेंत आसा. ताकाय लागून आमी सगळ्यांत चड भर हो ताजेरूय दिता आनी म्हाका दिसता तेय थोड्या दिसांनी आमी कंप्लीट करपाक शकतले. हालींच तुमी ऑनलायन अपॉयंटमेंट सिस्टम गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीन सुरवात केला. म्हाजें तर म्हणणें आसा की ऑनलायन OPD सिस्टम जी फाटली पेंडींग आसा ती जाता तितके बेगीन सुरू करची. जेणे करून गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजी वयलो प्रत्येकाचो येवपाचो लोड हो कमी जावपाक. वाय एवरीवन शूड जस्ट टू कम फॉर द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. तो फक्त येऊन पळयतलो त्याचे प्रिस्क्रिप्शन घेतलो परत वयतलो. ऑल द वे फ्रॉम द पेडणे आनी काणकोण आम्ही जर ऑनलायन OPD जर सुरवात केली आसत तर पीपल विल हॅपी. Whatever the reports they'll send on the WhatsApp, you'll check the report and you'll prescribe from here only. If 50% of the patients they OPD घेता ते online OPD च कमी जावपाक शकता. So that I think the secretary and the dean can take the initiative and start with the online OPD also. Online appointment झाली पण online जर OPD झाली असत तर तोय खूप मोठो फरक पडटलो. डे टू डे आमकां स्ट्रेस आमकां फोकस करपाक जाय. वॉट इज द एमर्जन्सी ह्या हेचेर आमकां फोकस करपाक जाय. We are strengthening the district medical hospitals. We are strengthening the sub-district hospital. आम्ही South Goa Hospital, district hospital हे strengthen करीत आसा. Azilo Hospicio, the sub-district hospital of the Chikale, sub-district hospital of the Fonda. ही सगळी हॉस्पिटलां ज्या ज्या पद्धतीचे आम्ही डॉक्टर्स आणि इक्विपमेंट थंय जाय हे सगळें स्ट्रेंथन करता. हाच्या फाटीवर तो इंटेन्शन एकूच आसा की गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीचो अननेसेसरी लोड जो आसा हो कमी जावचो. जोर येयला जाल्यार येवपाक GMCन येवपा खातीर न्ही. There so many PSC, CSCs are there. You can take the treatment there. For those who are the emergency, yeah, it is really emergency. Then the patient can come. So you can also focus on the emergency patient. हे जावपाची गरज आसा आनी म्हणून म्हाका दिसता त्या पद्दतीचेर तुमीय बी त्याच खातीर त्या लायनीन जर हे केले आसत जाल्यार आमकां आनिकूय खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणांत लोकांक सर्विसीस दिवपाक बरें जातलें. म्हाका खूब खोस भोगता with all the efforts of your dean and your department. The streets हे 200 वयल्यान 250 गेले. So it is a good opportunity for the Goan students. आनीक 50 डॉक्टर जावप आमचे आनीक वाडटले. हांवें तें सांगलां की आमचे इवन दो फॉर आवर एडमिशन प्रोसेस वो अजुनूय आमी स्ट्रीमलायन केला. सो डेट त्या स्ट्रीमलायनांतल्यान द स्टुडंट्स कॅन एप्लाय फॉर द ऑल इंडिया कोटाज. सो डेट मॅक्सिमम गोवन स्टुडंट्स कॅन गेट द एडमिशन फॉर द MBBS. हे आमी ह्या फावटी सिस्टम सुरवात केल्या. त्याय बी जाग्यार पडटलें हाची म्हाका खात्री आसा. हांव आयच्या ह्या खाशेल्या दिसा चड वेळ उलोवतना पूण म्हाका खूब बरें दिसता की हे नवीन स्टुडंट्स जो मेडिकल कॉलेजीत येतलो ताका इतक्या बऱ्या पद्दतीच्या इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरान ताका शिकपाची संद मेळटली. त्याच खातीर सगळ्या स्टुडंट्सांक सांगता तुमचे बशिल्ले सगळे प्रोफेसर्स तेद्या वेळार तांच्या कडेन कदाचित इतक्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात असलो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर नाशिल्लो. हाय इक्विपमेंटूय नाशिल्ले बट स्टील म्हणजे ते आपल्या प्रॅक्टिसींतल्यान कंटिन्युअसली शिकत गेले. आणि म्हाका तर दिसता की ह्या इतक्या सगळ्या इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर रेडीली अवेलेबल जाल्या उपरांत यू विल बी द मच बेटर देन देम. अजुनूय तुमी ताच्या पेक्षा एडवान्स आनी ताज्याय पेक्षा फुडें वचपाची गरज आसा. ताज्याय पेक्षा बऱ्यो सर्विसीस आमच्या गोंयकारांक दिवपाची गरज आसा. एक्सपेक्टेड आसा तुमच्या सगळ्यां कडल्यान ह्यो बेटर सर्विसीस तुमी ताच्या खातीर दितले. म्हणून आमी सातत्यान हे क्वॉलिटी हेल्थ केअर हे दिवचे हाच्या खातीर आमी पळयता की द बेटर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आमी दिता, बेटर एड्युकेशन, बेटर हेल्थ केअर आणि बेटर आउटकम्स फॉर द एव्हरी गोवन हे मेळचे म्हणून आमचो सातत्यान सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसता. आणि ताकाच लागून इन फ्युचर हे पुराय गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीत अशा पद्दतीचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलप करपा खातीर GSIDC and other concerned department are already given the instruction for the other departments also. खंयसरूच कॉम्प्रोमाइज न करता बेटर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर हे तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या पर्यंत पावोवचें. परत एकदा हांव गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजींतल्या सगळे प्रोफेसर्स आनी स्टुडंट्स हांकां खूब खूब आयच्या दिसाची परबी भेटयता की खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीचो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आमी अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ मायकल लोबो इन GSIDC करपाक शकले. म्हणजे GSIDCचे सगळे MD आनी स्टाफ हांच्यांनी इनिशिएटीव्ह घेवन टायम टू टायम फॉलोअप घेवन इवन दो माय कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स कन्सल्टंट हांच्यांनी बी खूब बरें काम केलं. ही इज ऑल्सो सिटींग देर. तेच्यांनी बरें बारीकांचेर बारीक लक्ष दिवन हे खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीचें काम कंप्लीट केलां. तांचेंय बी हांव खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. आनी अजुनूय बी हेल्थ सर्विसीसान अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ विश्वजीत राणे हेल्थ सर्विसीसान आनीकूय बी डेव्हलपमेंट टायम टू टायम तुमी सगळे जाण करतले हाची अपेक्षाय करता. आमकां कंप्लेन कोणाच कडल्यान येवची न्ही. आनी विशेष करून जेन्ना इन नीड आसा तेन्ना तरी ती कंप्लेन जे सामकी गरज आसा कोणाचो तरी पेरंट्स जे कॅज्युअलिटीन आसा ट्रॉमान आसा आमकां तांकां फोन करचो पडचो न्ही. हांव परत एकदां सांगता म्हणजे तेंच्यांनी आमकां कॉल करचोच पडचो न्ही आनी आमी तुमकां कॉल करचो पडटलो. ही स्थिती येवपाक जाय आनी ती स्थिती हाडपा खातीर नॉट ओन्ली द डॉक्टर्स बट सिन्स फ्रॉम द वॉर्ड बॉय पासून तो सिस्टर्स पर्यंत ह्या सगळ्यांनी बऱ्या पद्दतीचे कॉपरेट जर केले आसत जाल्यार खूब बऱ्यो सर्विसीस आमी सगळ्या गोंयकारांक दिवपाक शकतले. त्योच सर्विसीसची अपेक्षा परत एकदा तुमच्या सगळ्या कडल्यान दवरता. आनी सगळ्या जाणांचे हांव अभिनंदन म्हणटा आनी म्हाजी 2 उतरां सोंपयता. देव बरें.